Introduction to monitoring screen time on Windows.
Managing your child's screen time is important for healthy digital habits. Windows offers built-in family safety features that help you track and limit your child's device usage. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up family safety, monitor activity, and customize screen time limits, all without needing extra software.
Setting up a family group.
To begin, create a Microsoft Family group. Go to the Windows Settings menu, select Accounts, and click Family and Other Users. Choose Add a Family Member and enter your child's email. They'll need a Microsoft account. Once they accept the invitation, their account is linked, and you can manage their activity from your Microsoft Family dashboard.
Accessing the Family Safety Dashboard.
Access your dashboard at family.microsoft.com. Here you can see reports on your child's device use, web activity, and app usage. This dashboard is your central hub for monitoring their activity. Options include viewing detailed screen time, setting limits, and checking what websites and games your child accesses.
Setting screen time limits.
To limit device use, navigate to your child's profile in the dashboard. Under Screen Time, you can set daily schedules for Windows devices and Xbox consoles. Choose specific times of day or total hours allowed. Kids will get alerts as they reach their limits, and you can adjust allowances individually for each day.
Reviewing and managing requests.
If your child needs more time, they can request an extension. Requests appear in your dashboard or by email, letting you approve or deny extra time easily. You can also customize which apps or games are allowed and receive notifications if your child tries to access restricted content.
Tips for effective screen time management.
Remember to discuss your rules with your child for best results. Review their activity together and adjust settings as needed. Combine Windows Family safety tools with open communication to encourage responsible technology use. Built-in Windows features make monitoring simple, secure, and flexible for every family.